Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enhance image clarity and details using Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva PC versions. This is the desktop version of Canva. Don't forget to sign in with your account. To get started, you can click apps, then click design essentials. Now you can scroll down. So you have to find the detail boost. Enhance image details and colors effortlessly. Detail boost elevates your images effortlessly. With a single click, it enhances sharpness, unveils hidden details, breathing your life into your photos. So here, detail boost created by Direct. So you can use in existing design or use in new design. For example, with my existing design, and let's try with this one. So here I already had a noisy art, and here you can click the image. So if this doesn't work, you can try to delete and upload manually. For example, this one. So here we go. This is the original image. So you can automatically take faces in your image if your image had a people picture. So just simply click enhance. Please wait, larger images can take a little longer. Your images has image enhanced successfully, so you can add to the design. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the thanks button below. See you in the next video.